Recording.
So, my name is Sam, this is my 911 and I wanted to build an RWB. Righto, so the next job in the engine bay is going to be replacing the two hoses on the power steering reservoir. So one of them is leaking, so I just thought I'd replace both for preventative and to fix it. So let me show you, let's get a close up on which ones we're replacing. So this is the main pressure pipe. We're going to be disconnecting this and we just have to disconnect it from here, and then this is the main elbow and we'll be disconnecting that as well. Okay, so we've got the new high pressure hose here that we got from Porsche. Always make sure you double check the elbows, make sure everything looks the same before fitting, which I am happy with. So let's fit the new part. So that concludes the repair. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Just the power steering lines have been replaced and that's it. Really, really easy.